Hi, we are having some problem with garbage disposal. It is actually motor is not spinning. It's just making some kind of humming sound, as you can hear. But in real, it doesn't spin any motor in there. So, uh, what I did, I bought this wrench from Lowe's. It's called uh, it's called Jam Buster wrench. I bought it from Lowe's. It cost me like $7. So I'm going to fix this problem with this wrench and see how it goes. Alright, so uh, this is the garbage disposal, and I'm going to put wrench in there and trying to fix this. As you can see, there is a reset switch over there, and there is a one thing over here, and you can put it in there, and just you have to do back and forth. You can move it back and forth, this thing, and if there is anything jam over there, it can release that jam, and you can try to see if that is working or not. So let's see what happened here. Okay, so it's working really good. So I'm really impressed with this wrench. Actually, it really worked out really good, and I had some tools before in my home, but nothing was fitting in there very properly. I had a really different kind of stuff over here, wrench, but they were not fitting very well in there. So this wrench works really well for this problem. So that is the thing I did to fix this problem with garbage disposal. Thank you for watching.